Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can read by the title of my video, you all know what I'm about to talk about. But aside that, I am so excited today because I'm here to share with you guys how I made this beautiful floral backdrop on a budget. So if you want to see how I got this all together, so keep on watching. For this project, you'll be needing 4 cardboard sheets, 4 ply of tissue paper, any paper glue, top bond glue, and a painting brush. A writing pencil, drawing pencil, or a brow pencil with a levered bottom. The next thing you would do is to go ahead and glue these cardboard sheets together using a top bond glue, as seen in the video. Go ahead and cut the tissue. When purchasing the tissue, make sure to get the ones with an easy cut in between. Put the tissue paper together, fold and cut into 4 parts as seen in the video. This is how small a quarter of the tissue paper you cut should look like. Here is a close view video of how you should fold and place the tissue paper on the cardboard sheet. Now I'm going ahead to do it on the main cardboard sheet. What I do first is put some glue on the cardboard, then start placing the tissue paper on it. We're halfway gone already and I'm super excited. I'm going to go ahead and attach some pictures that I took using this backdrop. Here is the finished look, and I tell you, no one would know this was made out of a tissue paper.